Designed by our Sonoma, California team, the 18-piece fret care tool set has everything you need to care for your guitar frets. Whether you are just learning or a seasoned guitar tech, we give you the best-in-class fret tools to get the job done. This set includes all the fret tools needed to diagnose, spot level, crown, and polish frets, plus fix guitar fret sprout and sharp fret ends. Diagnose with a Fret Rocker Plus and fret gauge. Spot fret level with our 3 U files that file single high frets causing fret buzz. Crown with our revolutionary diamond-coated fret crowning S file that prevents you from overfiling with the small strip at the top of the file where there are no diamonds. Fix fret sprout with our Fret Beveling B File, which has the perfect angles 3 degrees and 23 degrees. Plus, the ergonomic curved radius handle gives you total comfort and control. The 2-in-1 adjustable file gives you both a single and a double cut. The diamond-coated fret end dressing E-file features 2 safe edges, slight radius and flat, and an ergonomic handle with premium diamonds to fix those sharp fret ends. For the final touch, we give you all the fret finishing products to smooth and polish out your frets. Our 3 grip guards protect the fretboard while using our 6-piece tracers polishing system. The set comes with an organizational storage case and a handy brass filing cleaning brush. So don't lose it or loan it. You'll look forward to the next time you work on your frets. For more videos on how to perform guitar setups or care for your frets, subscribe to our channel and visit musicnomadcare.com for all our products and how-to videos.